Hello everybody, it's NJTM Track Guy. Today is October 4th, 2013, and I am back at 432 Park Avenue for another progress update. Again, today is October 4th, 2013. This building has really gained in height since I was last here. It's made a lot of progress.
We're going to get lunch around here, go up to the office, sit down here and lunch.
So yeah, this building has made a lot of progress. I was here in August before I left for Florida. And throughout all of September, it's gained a lot of height. Very significant progress. This tower is going to be a beauty when it's built. Looks like they are working on the first set of mechanical floors. Right here where the two white covers are. I believe those will be mechanical floors. And two cranes doing the work, one on the other side. And this one. And I believe they're working at 2 floors per week. This here will be the lobby. Here's a straightforward look. You can see the construction elevators and crane. Yeah, this is going to be another beauty. I mean, it may be a box and it's tall and thin, but it's definitely going to stand out. This will be another marvel to look at. Here is 432 Park Avenue. More retail and apartment floors are currently being worked on. And more concrete is being poured and steel is being added. And floors are being installed at 2 per week. So yeah, this building is going to be a mixed building. Mostly luxury apartments and suites, but I believe there's going to be very small retail. But it's going to be mostly luxury apartments. I believe the tower is currently on the 27th and 28th floor.
50% rule, it could take me 10 years.
It will be a total of 89 stories. Alright, so now I'm on 57th Street. Here again is 432 Park Ave. Looks like it's matched up with this building. And it's going to continue to rise because this will be taller than One World Trade Center. It's only about a quarter of the way up and it's already a beauty.